and on the last screen as well also obetimi enye bi ahwe na Kudus apology no and some no can say this here or say as someone who captained the team in the 2 games, it is with great humility and a deep sense of responsibility that I issue this statement on behalf of the entire team. Feelings. We want to ensure Ghanaians that we are committed to learning from our mistakes, regrouping and working tirelessly to restore the Black Stars to our former glory. We value the unwavering support and loyalty you've shown us, and we are determined to make you proud once again. We urge all fans to stand by us during this challenging period. Your encouragement and faith in us will fuel our determination to succeed. We will not give up. We look forward to redeeming ourselves in upcoming matches. Mohamed Kudus. And today, a statement that Kudus de Babontia or de Pagana for Chonafe or Shebo say going forward, matches like that Ghana for him no. Wamo blasters or mekunku de no mati o man Ghana nim na fe so wamo so edi apacho edi ama Ghana ni bi ntwe fi Kudus camp baya yes we are to concerning the Black Stars of Ghana. Na Black Stars hun sensem ana enra e wo shooter dwumedie ne so ye ne former Ghana international former coach Malik Jaber enso twetwen kwama Johnny Eden Semba kumienu miensa etodwa ye din kan bisa no se na nyomesia ye no in times past dia na no mo ye se Ghana ye team no esinitrase in terms of modern bar dia na no mo ye to revitalize the team and then revive results nenche mo ne se no de todwa concerning dia omoye to avert poor performances and then poor results or improve poor performances and results yenti Malik Jaber.
She's a normal permanent. They will seek your bank copy. And also, or anything made them. What the more courses, what the referees call courses, what the
Sompa FM,
what the administrators call courses. Coming in our Saba at the same time. And our chair or Mama, the whole Ghana, coaches are yet 3 no more. And to on the coaching side, no any problems. The bar. Black Star, I tell you, it made 2 months in camp. They did together, they training together. They prepare together in 2 months. By the time I ever out from the camp, no, and do we have it that way? No. Obviously, I get you and I bomb match. Being 2 days, 3 days, I bomb match. It's a mixture of a lot of problems.
And tell you, Malik Jaber and come on to the Chem say the period of camping, anytime our team nibenya together for team boarding purposes, ayana and so any about 2 days, just a day before the game, I found a players I reported to camp. Oh, yeah, sana, a son fast 1 hour, unyanesa, and tiano, the opinion can, ya de atuja, and so a de amama still on Malik Jaber or Kasai, once and come on to run a queen, no, a man for Bibre Nature margin, say Black Stars and Kebeya, Yemfa local players, Nifem Rim, AKB Akotokone has, or players no Munimbono, Naki a former the Black Stars team nim, Malik Jaber and Anua Tumochema, and yet just local players are there. On the end there and ya Kotokone has, name say player no free Ghana, and as Obo Ghana, and as Obo Amanania. There a here and a born in Nimbo, na a bebo team no, and so it's me a conin, and then Chemuno, saying this yet.
But I don't think that is the whole point. No. And things I'm with the person, they have good players from there. I would say has. That is one. Secondly, say local players who you represent Ghana. I'm prepared. I'm trained together. I'm prepared for national, international matches. They left me alone. You maintain way no. I'm also representing in game. Now, young permanent local coaches. No, I'm handle 5-6 months. I tell you, you're both international. You're here foreigners in India 1 or 2. After maybe 3 to come and help. But say you have to away these because of local players. And we are going deep down the trench. We will suffer more.
And where the solution is offered by Malik Jaber, ideas Ebeboa, Emma, the Ekoswa Black Stars him no, Yebetimi Esiano, to Kwesi Apia, 1 Sudan, one more head coach, one and the Sudan for the Ghana by 2 goals in the Wakasa. Now, I say after several more Ghana, no, the next assignment for Sudan will be CHAN qualification. One money Tanzania and our airport. James Kwesi Apia, then come on and say this here.
To play against, going to the CHAN competition. Understand we are playing Tanzania. So from here we will go to Mauritania to prepare the team to play against Tanzania home in that way. Tanzania is a very strong team in terms of football.
Edi Kwesi Apia and come on and sign it here. Washega Nevi Tanzania next or more target qualification to the CHAN tournament. I know the local version of the African Cup of Nations. Now, Yenjina national team issues so by a free camp of the Black Stars near Korean of the Black Stars. I know Ghana under 20 team. Now one more Kopiemo Togo and one more Tiano Nina Wafu Zombie Africa under 20 championship qualifiers. Now first game beto jano Togo one more and Niger and Beshia and 3 p.m. and afe so enu we are not just a Ghana and so esia kanya ye hwese ne nyoma ne besia ko mama me Ghana ye full games ayebebo na enda ye ne Benin ebo we are Sunday ye ne Niger bebo and now Wednesday, October 23, Yane Togo and so abo the final group game. Now when you hear him, see a bit me qualified the akoyenim and not the beboa my team enya akoyan say akwa PM or the next Africa under 20 championship and also ebeba so nti say ne see eba full timer ye behwe ne timi edi eho enkomo na still on the under 20 enra na date near 16th October 2024 next year kai chia exactly 15 years ago yesterday and Ghana yeje under 20 World Cup no edisi na se eno the 16th of October 2009 Egypt Ghana and Brazil ne share final ni mo a ye bo goalless na no na penalty se boa Emma Ghana be the first African country yetimeje the under 20 World Cup no edisi na so na no ana Daniel Ejay one your goalkeeper no dem edema Ghana wedding commodity afa ho na ne common mu no watchem se opanyi ba ko a one no play a pivotal role eboa Emma Ghana timeje under 20 World Cup no the late Jordan and Nagbla dem role ana Jordan and Nagbla player yentie Daniel Ejay ne nchiremu on this matter
Yamfa asida Emma Jordan Anabla wenyan big go because of boy juma yi and same year oka actually the start tournament no oka say also to be bia e be fa cup ni bia obey so be upo and not bet issue Ghana maya obey make say sometimes a possible nyame ashed da say be but it takes individual to also pledge or some be too much say so be ka de nyame afofiri asema Jordan Nagla ekatre say no say e be taking life na or the cup am my Ghana obey
Tiano nchemu no na se owura Jordan and Nagbla catch players ne se so ono nkwa ne ono mpo ne nkwa ana de beto so na abo Ghana etimi age ana 20 World Cup na and the obeye and nchemu a ono so e de atudwa away from nationalities yendi club home komo kakra ni na ne se eyadea and the MTN FA Cup prelims draw na ebe cost 10 o'clock e the GFA conference room ye be draw and na say ne see draw no e bas with the GFA Secretariat Conference Room 10 o'clock anopa. Na draw no a total of over 90 teams and a ya house in 5 groups in the same groupings ni city into after this round near call round of 64 and na the Premier League teams in the Division 1 teams no and so we remove ebeboa Emmanuel and so etimi akona element way the free FA Cup draw ni muba the tujwa and so the amasanso ana emano women's Premier League your launch no 2 days ago na omo launch wie no dia enhye ne say ne sietie games no for the southern sector, Epiphany Warriors and the Fair Ladies never but match day 1. And here Saturday, na Fair Hazakes Ladies and Sonny Berry Ladies Ebeshia, Army Ladies and the Soccer Intellectuals Ebeshia, na Lady Strikers from Cape Coast, or many Police Ladies, na Afe so Johina Ladies, one more any Halifax Ladies and so abo. Na in the northern sector and a northern zone, also fixtures no idea and sumwe shekakra. Northern Ladies Ebeshia FC Savannah, na Kumasi Sports Academy, one more any Supreme Ladies Eshia, Tamale Super Ladies Ebeshia, Dreams Ladies, na Fe Fosu Royal Ladies, and so any Soon Shining Ladies Ebeshia, na Fe Prisons Ladies, and the Ampem Dakwan Ladies Eshia. Now during the launch, and a GFAS co-member, Dr. Gifty Awari, or no Edin Sem to just a class, no. Woman and started taking advantage of social media. Na omon fampo mo devro na omon ton e ma football so yenti Gifty Awari.
Love so much. Like we had said, all the clubs have social media platforms. And it's our belief that if we all decide to use our social media platforms to promote the game we all love so much, we can't be able to do much because you can still pick these feeds from the various TV stations' social feed and still promote it on your social club. GFA has a huge media system where you can seek for assistance and we'll be glad to come to your various spaces and assist you. We wish.
And tell a Gifty Awari mention and come on to the two jar. Ye dear and so not yet the few months no and so Eddie Esia. Ye come on and fancy a crowd or bad not a dear remnia or shed your course or go. Pogba saying.
Oh, when you also on your cheat.
On your cheater. But me who chromophobia ya china say, oh, maybe a chromphobia na debia me ye, and the match me. Oche chromophobia, it has so catch or say, a bonsam ne ye, and as a mon fan cheme na me ye bida.
Oh, okay.
So who? And to me who be a wet de bonny a channel and now chromphobia ya channel. Oh, me there say I deal with me that.
But after some MTA on Sky for chief reporter and interview. Yeah, menepo say me yatana say.
Oh yeah.
Also one cast one fa to say be a normal supplement.
Ebi onim.
And a professional so na demand no. To say be a normal supplement na.
Na ekofa na.
Call cast no ka drum so wafa but nipa so mesine demand no nim say. Say ni wom maybe a one triple check it what my so bet me check here there 1 2 maybe a one yen for what one
exactly
one show
and say ekurase maka ba manwe
so
ba waka so anya ko wenum
no one can no one jail to ma 4-year band there bema
say at so am 18 but I'm happy for him. I am very happy for him. I think that born there wo program no mbom wie akakakra and he deserves
and
it.
the revelation be craft
sir.
Oh yes
na obai na gini na obai na
say no say back to juvenile senanka purple penidin
sir
now they are from Man United
to
straight to Man City.
Wow.
But this time can City if you want there was
Pogba De Bruyne but boy no talented. I love him so much.
Sometimes some of these things Mike on say there be and some say metano discusses there are more important things in life than money. Scanning the whole
exactly.
What you must say, but imagine say be a Pogba who is scanning in every back one ninja. And a bonus also more surround those around you know what me may affect you
exactly
negatively. So
I wish him the best, but give no buy no so boy. Once I say no obesra fiache into obesra ne na obesra ne na nanom ne ye ko ebusu fie bompa ye gu ne so ofri gini ya na ye te ne ban ne so hey oh Paul la Billy oh Africa Yanko.
Me na say Mike. Yes, na Shark Yanko real quick na my main front one say na me no ka say no. O red fan sell your Messi o mo be born about na bibia no and some aye sectors as we aye awards adwumadia we aye newspaper I was praying air from some marka omo ana chesero mo kan nyina sell your Messi no wo mo so eba be anano omo so mo ntwen maybe alio and some anko ansa no pa ba so ba na ba enti na me no ka say your Messi etiase no I was also born about na Jamaica for no and some like can in say when so I come fast or more anano essence nay woman say title no I am Messi, the greatest winner in the history of sports. Omanka football na chesa wo ka be a boxing nom and some other chesa tennis afei wo ka ayane can say golf and jumadi ni nyina no and some adi abom giri e ba so run ye fan say Leo Messi ono and I just were the greatest winner and some our sports abako some wa brane and jumadi ni nyina no and also about so ayoko krata and our Spain na omo yes jumadi e adi Leo Messi our Miami our bra state ni nie bibia some my set our bra Leo jumadi no and also abako our brand of pain no ye de update ni nyina demo na German second so room and some our just England and the mountain after say ye betu twa so ref fan Thomas Tuchel wonom mana say wo baba coachi England omana sha team no ye be catch and was confirmation so enya ba enam no ka say wadim komone mo na Tuchel dia no on say me catch and was say wo ma confirm say 6 million euros a year na just 18 months no wo calculate na wo chemu enom 9 million euros ana coach na ye fan Thomas Tuchel abeje wa so do mo ko World Cup 2026 enra wo ko kan say World Cup no omo betimi age na bakubu san say and say jumadi omodi ya hye ne say koba say be a World Cup omo rom our Canada US of and say be a Mexico na England amen so ntimi age a wo be fa no sam omo ye failure and say I don't know Thomas Tuchel no and some be say fa no ye the newly appointed coach Adama the Three Lions ora ye fa no say Tuchel.
No, it's not a gamble, but we speak it out now very clearly why we are here and what we want to achieve. And we are not shy of it. We are absolutely open about it, that it does not help the more often we speak about it, but it should be out there. And then we can set the standards and we can set the values, set the principles up for it, because then we have to live up for it from January latest for 18 months. And then we will let's judge on it when we have done it, and if we decide it was a failure, then we will not continue. If we decide it was not a failure, then we will continue.
Yes, I know. I am some England. Tomu coach. I find Thomas Tuchel. No, what then is some Tuchel? I deba quite shocking. And say, what must I campaign? Be I say, I was just Englishy. I want to so I dare Gary Navonum, and I just so ref fan say Jamie Carriganum, and I just so more Kaya Tiania. So almost say, I am one passing the old Poby at the England. Womu coaching job. I'm an Odia Kwakuma Bontin Suni. Na Ebasana Emma coaches so free. A young chromo intimate developer. Mas amo movement manu kuma we ruling kama tumo kakanga. As I say, and no idea from us whatever. Now Jaminya nyina so ra. Your friend Sansa Jem Ratcliffe on somebody kind. Adi abatu 3 days ago eno ayo ref fan Ferguson Edgemedia. Wama Jem adi friend something nyina say. Wamo kate cost in Tambada ambassadorial role. Wamo save 20 million pounds. And no the last 10 years any wamo some Tradia Feki not just Afibiano. I 2 million pounds mebeka enwachi and watch enra. Mesana batu just almost a final grade or reference of Ferguson and as a moment your board members Emma Manjuno won't to mean come Manchester Airport game ever fear won't to mean call dressing room and also go and now yes for France and say Manchester and part of the same Amoka amateurs will be as what to say yeah Catinia you can't say Costono and you can say Tim Aboka and Tinkabia Bronya Ebe Draw one more to organize any kind of Christmas party and Omachum or run by the camera to Gania Casa Gro, Jemense Canning in understand, Wamusum Manchester Fono, Wamusum Christmas party anymore, and also some update to Abbas and something Nano, yet the Emma yet for an anopay, and some our shonos as of Enra, na Yasia Shasia Bassa, Woko a yes paina, Wamum our GDB Liverpool Timino, Wamo Yajatum Soma Kotana, Yafana Trent Alexander Arnold Ayobia, and Yadia Soba stand contract, and some Ama Liverpool. na me no ka say eno adamensa kan say yes Van Dijk eba be sign ni sa na the moment Van Dijk eba sign no eba ma kwadare first Arnold and some assign essence na me no ka say no wudru bobo kwa say Liverpool mete say enwa Wednesday meeting across some our London and aye Arnold NHS and reps no wo mo kwa Liverpool empire for wo mo ka mo tiri eba say na nkoma no and some aye come and to mo me anu nyina no and some na ba stand agents no and some aye update eba bonsa demensa kan say Danny Olmo and you heard him say there kan say group training one some aba resume medical ya ba to just say wo mo game aba so weekend ya akodano and some aba want Danny Olmo diano and nam managers wo mo training session I was saying aba so bueno and some aba timi ayabie na latest aminya and some anasa Atletico Madrid okay ya wo mo bo Madrid derby na Madrid derby no you want to say, you see your motor nioma at the Brutibu Katuama conference MP and now you say club Nanka say, woman take a initiative and a sample, woman cast a stamp of authority and some Mujumedi or Mudinimo and to the man is Omwa, Wamukotana Sastans anymore at Totonioma the boat Tibu Katuano, and we are Marco 5,000 Ominimo Obia, Ominimo Munina, Frida Gray, woman nest 5 matches, Atletico, and some ball away and yes supporters no will be a take it or your member and some arma grada di animaciona will not take it and cry away one back to Real Betis one back to Paris Saint-Germain one back and some our cup game no more one back to Mallorca no more to Sparta Prague no and games as our supporters no will not take it and conquer match and some our way and no I update ever okay say UEFA and some bow and so supporters akotansu maybe and some our Rome amukobo game eritia Roma na akobasa supporters no womu soja and some our stance in ama fire flash and nioma and no cross na just amwa ama game nya kama no kasai UEFA for say omuni camera metua 30,000 euros and your finer woman yama bebao etum na biam woman the strong warning and some yama bebao sa didn't see you know so woman na sabisa ko sibiama woman did about sa dia kan sa traveling ban woman adebama bebao supporters woman some abakwa Mbappe latest and young German can say, yes, boy, no course, what an answer. Maybe catch us and send 20 back, say, Mbappe as suffer mentally. Now, will be any problem. Till the answer will be any of my women and yet in Tedo Pia. Yan what I could pa. Nah, German no parents and Mbappe, no, yes, oh, baby, I send the messages. And Yama Mbappe, na sao bano. Onum, I ni promise identity, see. I just of course, Stockholm, sir, yes, in Tasson Kwan and Tebema, and James. Bama ko kiki no kakra ne yase kiki ene mu no Mbappe no atiri e ba se nipana woko police station kwa make complain sa wo bi aforce no ene na da no yase Mbappe no atiri e pass enye ne nipana won no kokwa sane ma ne mom e bia we eni pafofra enyo no Mbappe na mom say yeah wo mtiri e ba se de no course over the same hotel am on the same dinner Mbappe and some other a bank hotel I was Stockholm and na mama for so no mom when it gone I send you a messages what only Trimudie was in your salad and I can make you complaint no and some Adama police warning you know and so I update Tanano Pamano Casino who come France update no more and some about Pogba yes Pogba say we be free Manju I come back to Juvenile was a pub casual a freno a catcher so many and our Man City mom now on to be Free United and some Uncle Man City Emania ye and to one moya I and a Pogba was Sandy and Jana Kwamanenko and one year no home born a Franco Sihino Nanka manager Fanasa Pep Abaswano Pogba Ababom at the Man City Bobo Quanemum one customer rejected the opportunity I come back to Juve now Pogba was him Yaman to just I didn't see you know I am a bush for my wife ne mano I just one burning of phobia and I send in a message session in Korea and I'm some Nama and they ain't too many so born I want to so almost support on Pogba, Yinches Marcodano, and some other tuja.
Yeah, mentally, definitely. Had messages, friends, obviously the family, obviously my wife, because I spent a lot of times with my wife that I wasn't used to it, and my kids. So let's say that was a good part of that, of being a real dad at home and being close to my kids, seeing them grow, you know, every day. And I really enjoyed it, and he helped me also to get through it day by day, spending time with my family and my kids.
Yes, now my main friend to Mr. Sky, Omu Chief Air Reporter, Ebusa Pogba Bama Kanokra, Adeye Siye Wako Air Tas, Ebumu Kana Cars, Ama Yateso Ediama Yamiarma from March, Obersta Tiabo, Ayabiana drone of fire, and also one for Swono, will be a man for him, will be a Wayan, Quebec Jones Woye, Namudu Abaso Canadians, I supplement annual fire, now one triple check it, Nippon or that, and a man, no, Nippon, I a professional, and to one say be at the way wom our bra Samuel mano and your banned substances and one on your cheetah or your beer while your bad loser so bobo no Louisiana test and home tunnel cry no so be cheated ye when you be da yincho pugba.
I mean, when you will see me, you know me, people know me, so even when then all the thing happened, they were like, no, for sure we know Paul, he will never take that. If he did, it was not he didn't know. I wasn't on purpose. And this is totally the truth. And I'm an honest person. I would say it.
Yes, na and afraid the medical about to just say name and maybe Ebeka say name about boy I Desmond about Desmond Tadia now just the next international break I was a name and so about from Emra yes Hilal at doctors listen Yamia Duma one more game about Asia Champions League anymore and I had 21st of this month and now I 17th in Chaka I have 4 days the next I have 4 days no I brought Javan said Neymar Silva Junior almost best 1 year any boy no and some Nabasaba Popo a gamer woman Al Ain okay Al Ain where your former team Adama a Ghana captain former captain your friend Asamoah Jan Omo any Bobo Craven say Hilal and a boy and some gamer name no Abasaba Kiddy come back out so much and Emra Nanema some our Jumaria Corso our South way and some IHS Saudi Panaphonium Rayan season Eguswa El Corso where I 6 Kings Slum because of Portuna down for now your friend Carlos Alcaraz and Ra Emma Chess and your man San your man and also Cosuna Mike answer Saudi Arabia for already Medicanchi a football or invested boxing no man say US crowd here I'm say young Queen the last time I boxing course so I was US so say Saudi for you be on him said tennis no woman Sanjay way a 6 Kings Slum na TA and what Daniel Medvedev ebo game 68 minutes Oluzui ano what $1.5 million what you coffee one so calculate per minute sanka be ba makasa be say be 15 minutes yes minute be an $21,739
how many
second I $362 and ya chesa be ma sika wache na eno mo mulusu nyino be age $1.5 million I just sikada bumasa taki ala shake onom ana tuska gwei na next game unim say Nadal and Carlos Alcaraz and Ebebo because eno Alcaraz a trying opponent your friend Horga Runa a 2 straight certainty on next game our semi-final where I 6 Kings Slum a Carlos Alcaraz and a Rafa Nadal and a Bechia
what's a minute be about minutes back where saying 1 minute near $21,739 you qualify see Ebebo Biana
Ose
yeah minu me and bet me akobobi
I'm 3 seconds
yeah, remember 9:30 near the 4 time, bro.